Wondering how to check your Verizon Wireless port status? Whether you're transferring your number or switching carriers, this video will show you exactly how to check Verizon port status, step by step. Whether you're switching from another carrier or just curious where things stand, I've got you covered. What is Verizon port status? The Verizon port status tells you whether your number transfer is moving forward or not. There are usually 3 stages you'll see. Approved. Your request is successful, and your number will be activated shortly. Pending. The process is underway. Verizon is waiting on your previous carrier. Rejected. Something went wrong, like incorrect account details or an unpaid bill. How to check Verizon Wireless port status? There are 2 easy ways to check it. Use the Verizon port status checker. Head to the page, link in the description, enter your phone number, check the I'm not a robot box, and click Check Number. This will show you if your number is eligible and what stage your request is in. Or, log into your Verizon account and click on your order details. There, you can enter your number or order ID to see what stage you're in. If you're stuck or don't see anything, you can always call Verizon support directly. What if your port is stuck? If it says rejected, here's what to check. Did you use the correct account number and PIN from your previous carrier? Does your billing address exactly match what's on file? Are there any unpaid bills that might hold up the port? Fix the info and resubmit your request, or call Verizon's porting team to help manually. Tips to avoid porting issues. Before you even start the process, follow these tips. Gather your account number, PIN, and billing info from your current provider. Don't cancel your old service until the port is done. Keep your old SIM card active to receive verification messages. Be patient. Most ports are done within a few hours, but it can take 1 to 2 business days. To check more details, check out our full post, link in the description. To sum it up, Verizon port status helps you track your number transfer. It'll show if your request is approved, pending, or rejected, and you can check it online or by calling Verizon. Make sure your info is accurate and don't panic if there's a hiccup. It's usually easy to fix. If this helped you out, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Got questions about porting or switching carriers? Drop them in the comments. I reply to everyone.